guys, so I've been having my short hair for a few months now, and I like it. It's just different, but yeah, this is one of the hair look that I usually have every day. Just have my hair curled like this in the flower. So and so I want to try to show how, some different one that I've been doing. So I have one of the hair that I'm gonna bring all the hair from this side over this side and make just elegant look. So what I'm gonna do is bring a little bit of this side. See this? This. This piece right here, I'm gonna bring it up right here. You see, right here is kind of plain nothing. So I'm gonna bring it up right here. Like that. Small piece right here. I'm gonna bring it up more up here. Just like that. And I'm gonna use some clip like this. It look like, I don't know, sometimes I feel this look like butterfly, sometimes like flower, but doesn't matter, it's nice. So okay, right